Good morning, everyone. How you all have been? Today for lunch, I am cooking my favorite crab. It's been quite long that I have prepared it. So hence today I am trying my hands on it. In between I did the cooking, but it was a small portion. The remaining, as you all know, I have kept so that I can share the recipe with all of you. This is a seafood lover's delight. Many of the seafood lovers will definitely agree with me because crab is something which we love the most. I remember when I used to be young and I used to eat crab, I never thought of making it. But with the time, as I told all of you, the time passes and we grow with the time, all of us. Like that, today, whatever it is, whatever seafood I love, yes, of course, I do it. Even at times, I cook the food which I do not like, especially for the family, and I love doing that. So I think that is what is family, and that is what we are for. We get the happiness when the people around us are happy. And that's how we also become happy. At times, whenever I cook a dish which is Joy's favorite, when I see the smile in his face, I get so much happy that his appreciation make me to do the cooking once again and many more times. Because that gives me a lot of happiness when I see the smile on his face after taking the first bite of the food. Similarly, Joy is not so fond of crab because he finds it very difficult to take the shell out and eat it. But because I love it, so he has got that for me. So I think this is what is life. These small, small things gives us a lot of happiness. And trust me, this is the best of life. We might feel this is a very small thing, but this small things makes a family, makes emotions. And that's how we are living a family life. Yes, a very good life. And I'm so grateful to God for that. I think the best part is to understand each other's liking and disliking, and not only understanding, but respecting their values, respecting their likings and dislikings. Not everything is good of any one of us. But if we try and search what is the best of us, then we will see it gives us a lot of happiness. Many of us, we always find, oh, this is not good in that person, that is not good in that person. But if we search what is good in the other person, that will give us a lot of happiness to ourselves. Today, if I expect joy or expect anyone in the family to be absolutely perfect, it is not possible. Absolutely like the way I think, it is not possible. But yes, there are many things which are very good in them. So I'll have to take that and live my life. I think this all things are great values of our life, which we cannot buy with any money. We'll have to feel it. And that's what I am feeling and living, and I'm very happy. Oops, now while talking to you all, I forgot to mention one good tips. Whenever you are using this resado masala, I am only using onions to fry onion and put the masala. No other paste is required because the masala itself has got a lot of paste. Neither the red chili powder is required because this masala gives a very good color. And there is a reason why I use the mustard oil because, first of all, mustard oil is excellent when it is non veg. But for the people who cannot, eat mustard oil, okay, for them, they can also use the rice bran oil because it gives a good color. So, those all things you'll have to keep in mind while cooking, crab. And it is very easy, it's not that difficult. It is very easy. Not only the color, the specification of oil is very important for the taste of the food. We cannot cook all types of food with the same oil. Each and every time we keep changing the oil. Why? To sustain the taste of the food. So that's the reason I have, specified mustard oil. And if not, you all can also use the rice bran oil. I'm sure even it will also taste good. So now my favorite seafood is ready to serve. But you all stay tuned till the end of this video because I will be sharing with all of you what happened with me recently and you all will love to hear that.
I had a wonderful nap after eating my favorite crab. As promised, as I told you all before, today I've shared my crab recipe with all of you. The leftover crab which was there in the fridge. And I'm sure if you all try it, you all will like it. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you all have liked it. Whenever I come up with all these recipes, I think about all of you. And if you all have seen, whatever I try is not very difficult. because I don't like to try any difficult item for all of you. So that was my lunch today, and I'm sure you all also love it when you all will try the recipe. So I'm also going to share with all of you what happened with me recently. Few days before, as you all know, I keep shopping from different brands, and Forest Essentials is one of my most favorite brand when it comes to the skin product. So as you all know, I am already using Saundurya. I've already showed it in my makeup video and my skincare routine video. So prior to this, I was using Saundurya day and night. I was using the night cream both during the day as well as during the night. But recently, when I did my shopping from Forest Essentials, they have given me a trial pack of Eladi Day Cream SPF 30 PA++. When I tried it, I was so happy. I decided to use that during the day and my Saundurya, night cream during night. So I rushed to the store and I got my Eladi Day Cream. Come, let's see how it looks.
This product comes in only one size, and you can use it in the morning when you are at home. You can also using it before going out, before your makeup, and trust me, it gives a very good glow. To me, it will last for 3 to 4 months. It also depends on how many times you are using it in a day. In my future video, I will definitely show you all how I'm using it before doing my makeup.
So I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. You all have liked my shopping. And with that note, I'll end the vlog today here. We'll come back with a new video really soon. So stay tuned. Bye.